Hello everyone, welcome to Open 10th classes. English second lesson. The most difficult job in the world. This is a very good story that tells about the wisdom and smartness of a court jester named Tenali Raman. In the 14th century, there was one of the greatest Hindu emperors. His name was Raja Krishnadevaraya of Vijayanagaram kingdom. Tenali Raman was his court jester. The emperor asked his courtiers about the most difficult job in the world. They were unable to give proper reply. It was Tenali Raman who answered that it was very difficult to keep a child happy than to rule a nation. Thus, the story states that the obstinacy of a child is most difficult to fulfill. It cautions us against the flatterers. Tenali Raman was a very wise and witty man in the court of the king Krishnadevaraya. He was his court jester and entertained the king with his wise discourses. The king was the ruler of Vijayanagar kingdom. Tenali Raman was a fearless and straightforward person. He was never in a mood to show flattery to his ruler, though he was his subordinate. When asked by the king about the most difficult job in the world, he openly spoke that a mother's job was the most difficult one in the world. It was easy to look after the kingdom than to make the child happy. On hearing his statement, all the courtiers broke into peals of laughter. He did not meet their untimely mocking. Rather than he brought a woman along with her boy, he established the truth of his statement. Thus, Tenali Raman was a practical man full of worldly wisdom. Question and answers for final exams. Who was Krishnadevaraya? Krishnadevaraya was the ruler of the Vijayanagara kingdom. Who was Tenali Raman? Tenali Raman was the court jester in Krishnadevaraya's court. What kind of a man was Tenali Raman? Tenali Raman was a wise and witty. What did Krishnadevaraya ask his courtiers? Krishnadevaraya asked his courtiers to tell him the most difficult job in the world. According to the courtiers, what was the most difficult job? According to the courtiers, ruling the country is the most difficult job. Did Tenali Raman agree with the courtiers? Tenali Raman did not agree with the courtiers. According to Tenali Raman, what was the most difficult job in the world? According to Tenali Raman, a mother's job is the most difficult job in the world. Who did Raman bring to the court? Raman brought a woman and her son to court. What did the boy ask for? The boy asked for an elephant. What did the boy ask the king to do? The boy asked the king to put the elephant into his basket. Why did the boy want to take the elephant home? The boy wanted to take the elephant home in order to show him to his friends. Why did the boy start crying? As the king could not put the elephant into the basket, the boy started crying. While the boy was crying, what did the mother say to Raman? While the boy was crying, the mother told Raman to get a toy elephant. What did the mother tell the boy? The mother said to the boy that the toy elephant was more beautiful, would fit easily into his basket. Did the king agree with Raman in the end? In the end, the king agreed with Raman.